Tommy of Mimic Robotics, and I'm here to show you how to use our robot to test a laptop buttons. So if you want to test punching the buttons on a laptop to test the keyboard repeatedly, it's a very routine task and very monotonous. So we could program this in a robot on our robot very easily. So let's get started. First, I'll create new and use the Simple Z. And I'm in teach mode. So press the teach mode, memorize a point over here for safety so it doesn't bang into the back of the laptop. And let's just hit the buttons. And save that. So we save that file, and it should go back to the home position. Now our grid editor can let us adjust the file before we propagate that. So as you can see, there's a lot of buttons and we don't want to press all of them. So we can save time by propagating that job kind of in an array. So let's just first see how it goes with pressing those two buttons. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. Intermediary points. Okay. So it stays there kind of long, so we'd like to change that. And so let's bring it to our grid editor. And we can edit the time. Oops, 0.02 seconds. So the wait time is a lot less. And this 0.3, the wait time, paste that. And let's check 0.4. Okay. So we just saved that file. And okay, override, yes, override. So let's just see how that works. Again, it's just the two buttons. Intermediary position, press once, press touch. Okay, that looks really good. Now let's propagate that by using our other editor called ++. So it's the ++ editor, and there's 14 keys, so we're gonna go 7 times, 7 counts. Move to the right 38 millimeters, move to the right 38 millimeters. Save this. I'm gonna call this the top row of the keyboard. We can obviously do this for the other rows and combine them, but let's just see how this works. So let's start. Let me get to a new section. Okay, so you can even look at the notepad and see what it's pressing. So first one, second one. As you can see in the notepad, it's hitting all the keys. Equals, and then it's going to delete the equals. Okay, so that's great. Now you can use it to test the other rows and combine it using our software. But that's a very easy way to program this very routine task, and it's great for testing. All right, thanks.